This bedside table was an IKEA hack that I've done a few years ago, but it is looking a bit tired. I decided to replace it with a new one. And this also meant it was perfect opportunity for me to do a mini makeover for summer season. These are the items that I've been using, but it's all about the change. Here's my new parcel and I cannot wait to show you all. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and in good health. Today is Sunday. Hope you are having a relaxing one with your loved ones. And if you're new, my name is Shule and I love decorating my home and sharing my process on my channel. Hope you like what you see. I emptied all the contents, it's about to go, and I am left with very dusty, dirty surface. Let's clean it first. Cleaning under the furniture usually is my spring cleaning task, but this year I didn't have any chance. I unpacked it with my son. Here's how it's looking. Bought it from the range store and it was nearly £200. I'm going to leave it link below if you live in UK, as they have sale currently. These were the colors that I was using and I'm switching to darker colors. And this bedspread is from IKEA. It was very inexpensive. I managed to find a matching curtain from HomeSense and then matching cushion covers from Amazon. I always use an object to determine the color scheme, and this gorgeous cushion from John Lewis is the inspiration to my makeover this summer. Love the gorgeous watercolor pattern, love the colors obviously, and it goes so well with my existing items. I might even do an artwork inspired by this beautiful artwork, so watch this space. It was a love at first sight in John Lewis's garden section. Yes, it's an outdoor cushion and it was only £20. I'm saying only £20 because John Lewis is like Macy's, everything is very expensive usually. Color coordinated my flowers. This hydrangea is from Dunelm. These lilies are from IKEA. This tropical leaf is from AliExpress and the pampas grass is from the range store. These next two items are also from range store, and the silver one used to be gold and I spray painted. For a perfect bed setting, I tried so many combinations. Help me decide which one I should go. So this is number one. And this one is number two, but I realized the teals doesn't actually go together, so it's a no-no. And I brought some cushions from the living room, and this one is blocking the beautiful floral cushions, so it was another no from me. This one is a possibility. I like it, but at the back is a bit dark, so it was a no again. Style 5 was a big no again. Blues didn't go, so I came up with style number 6. Before I show you my style number 6, let's make everything smell heavenly by using this lilac blossom room spray that I bought from HomeSense. This is exactly what I do every week after cleaning. It doesn't last long but still gives me several hours of heavenly scent. If you're new and enjoying the content so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, as I have loads of content coming to your way. Last thing I've done is switching my artwork so it color coordinates with the cushion. And here is the reveal.